today I have a video to upload. It is going to be a lot different than what I normally upload. I know that I have not been active, and for those that follow me on my main Facebook page know why, and I appreciate everyone that has reached out, whether you knew what was going on or not. And for those of you that don't know, December 3rd, I lost my little girl. I'm not going to go into details. She was just really sick. I don't even know really what to say other than that. I wanted to thank everyone that has reached out. I felt like y'all needed an explanation, and I also wanted to do a tribute video for my little girl. I am working on, though, getting back into the swing of things, and it's just going to take me a little bit of time to get things back together. And I just wanted to upload a tribute video for my little girl. So thank you all again, and please be patient with me while I work stuff out to get back into the swing of things, and I will see y'all soon.